Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix application error, a client-side exception has occurred, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing we need to do if we encounter this error is we need to update the browser. So we'll click on browser. Now the steps I'm going to tell you, the method is the same for all browsers, be it Chrome or Edge or Firefox, anything. So I'm using Edge. Let me click on the three buttons here and we will go to help and feedback. Click on about Microsoft Edge and it will be checking for updates. If there is a particular update, then it will update Microsoft by itself. It will update by itself and that should fix the issue. The next thing we need to do is we need to sync the date and time, because if the date and time are wrong, then it causes an issue with the SSL certificates of the browser. For that we need to right click on the start button, click on settings, look for time and language, date and time, and we need to make sure that these three tabs are on. Once these are on, we'll click for sync now and wait for the tick mark. This should fix the problem. If this doesn't, then there is some issue with the malware or a virus. For that we need to run an antivirus and an anti-malware scan. We'll do that by looking for virus and threat protection in the system settings. Now folks, if you have a third party antivirus or a third party anti-malware like Kaspersky, McAfee, so what you need to do is you need to open that third party software and run the antivirus and anti-malware scan from the third party software. I am using the stock pre-installed Windows virus and threat protection, antivirus and anti-malware. So I will go to scan options, go to full scan. So you can do this in the third party also. Go to full scan and click on scan now. Then restart the computer and this error should no longer show. If this does, then we have two steps we can do which should definitely solve the issue. The first one is to disable any problematic extension. So for that we go right click on the three dots, go to extension, click on manage extension, and this is the same method across all the browser platforms. So I will switch off all the plugins. If you want to find which is the problematic plugin, if you have more than one plugin, I have only one. If you have more than one plugin, then you can switch it off one by one and then see which one causes the error and then switch it off or delete it permanently. The other step is to clear the cache and the cookies. So for that we need to go to history. Okay, we need to click on history and we need to locate this button, delete browsing data. So I will change the time range to all time and I will make sure all the boxes are ticked: cookies, cached images, browsing history, and I'll click on clear now. Once that is done, I'll restart the computer and this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.